In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a knowledge base with ClickUp. This process is straightforward and efficient, thanks to ClickUp's ready-to-use templates. But if you're someone who prefers creating from the ground up, don't worry, you can absolutely do that too. Essentially, it boils down to creating a document within ClickUp and then tweaking it according to your unique needs. So, let's dive right in and see how this is done. When you start, you'll notice a search bar positioned conveniently at the top of the page. Go ahead and click on it, and then type in the word Templates. By doing this, you're opening the door to the Template Center. This is where the magic begins. Once you're there, take a moment to explore the wide array of templates available. On the left-hand side, there's a filtering option that allows you to narrow down what you're looking for, making your search much more manageable and efficient. Next, input knowledge base into the search field. The Template Center will display several different types of templates designed specifically for various knowledge base setups. Take a little time to browse through them and select the one that best aligns with your objectives and personal taste. Once you've found the perfect one, click Use Template. It doesn't stop there though. You'll then be prompted to assign a name to your new knowledge base. Choose something that is both descriptive and resonant with your team's identity or project theme. Additionally, you'll need to decide on its location within your ClickUp environment. This is important for easy access later on, so choose a spot that seems intuitive to you and your team. Once you've handled the naming and placement, it's time for one more click on Use Template. Congratulations! Your basic knowledge base setup is now complete. However, the process doesn't end here. Customization is the key to making this tool truly work for you. Dive in and edit the template to better fit your actual content and needs. Add sections, remove unnecessary parts, or integrate features that align with your team's workflow. This step is crucial for maximizing the utility and effectiveness of your knowledge base, tailoring it just right so it serves its purpose beautifully. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a knowledge base, but remember, continual refinement and updates are vital. As your project evolves, your knowledge base should too. Keep it dynamic, and you'll find it to be an invaluable resource for you and your team from this point forward. Thanks for joining in, and happy organizing.